Hey everyone! I have some new sticker books and I thought I would do a flip through. The Oddities and Curiosities Sticker Color and Activity book. If you're interested in seeing what these books look like in case you're thinking of buying them for yourself. So if that interests you, then come right back. The Oddities and Curiosities Sticker Color and Activity book. Over 200 unique stickers. They are both by Chartwell Books. And if you are here for the first time, I am doing a flip through of these books. These are books that I purchased from Bookoutlet.ca because I am in Canada. And they were a Boxing Day week sale offer. They were very, very good prices, and at the moment I do not know if these are available through Bookoutlet.ca. They may be available through other vendors, and I am just doing a flip through of the books that I got just because I like to see what's inside of books, and often on certain sites you don't know what's inside the book, and you're buying sight unseen, and I'm just giving you the opportunity to see what's inside these books so you can tell for yourself, judge for yourself if this is something you would like to invest in. So let's look at Oddities and Curiosities first. Oddities and Curiosities, over 200 unique stickers. It's a Chartwell book. This is the first page. So this one is, this is sticker color and activity. Okay, that's right, it's not just stickers. So you have an introduction, and an explanation. Okay, there's interesting, this is about phrenology, the strange pseudoscience. Phrenology, skull reading was a practice. Oh, that's interesting. So you have all these, it is Oddities and Curiosities, and some mazes. Okay. Personally, I enjoy doing these types of puzzles. Excuse me. Charlotte Bronte poem here. And here we have the sticker page. The stickers are papery, like matte paper. They would probably be alterable with inks, colored pencils, markers, etc. It's easy. There's individual stickers that all come off. And you have the plasticky sticker release paper underneath. So, like a lot of other sticker books, everything here can be removed, all these images. Same here, all these images. They do have the outline with the color of the paper. They are not, so if you want a sticker that doesn't have the like a blue around it, you would have to trim that away yourself. So these do retain the color outline, just in case that's important to you. And the back papers are this lovely matte paper. They have lovely designs. There's poetry on it. So basically, if you use up all the stickers in this book, you are still left with a nice book that you can maybe use as a journal after, turn it into some sort of art journal. Some more poetry, some more stickers. These are different stickers for sure. But I'm enjoying them. I don't have this stuff. This is great for me. I'm happy with these. This is not something I have. It's a game, Match the Beetle. And the answers are on the back. It's a matching. Match the skull to the animal. Again, the answers are on the back. This is all about crystal energy. Oh, and the different crystals. All the different crystals, information on crystals. Here are some more activity pages, some dot to dots, but they are intricate dot to dots. These are not your little kid ones, and they're very adult. Some trivia, some more poetry, some more stickers. These are cool stickers. If you are in need of, you want some special stickers for doing collage work, doing anything kind of steampunk too, this is a good book for that. Oh, tarot cards. Each is a sticker. See that? More poetry, more stickers. These are creepy. Ooh. So if you're into the cutesy, this is not for you. But if you're into the creepy, steampunky, very, yeah, mystical, this is for you. I love having this because this is not something that I come across a lot in my treasure hunting, I guess. I don't have a lot of this. I don't even know if I have any of this. So it's nice to have it. It's not something that I am, how can I say, it's not something that I am drawn to a lot, but I think it's fascinating. I think I love it. I think it's great. I knew someone would say, this is not my style. And they're right. You won't see this in my everyday life. But I certainly love the idea of playing with these and making some sort of really fun collage. That's what my thinking is. These would look great in some collage. Oh, look at this. The pirate skeleton, the pirate ship, the octopus. This is very different. These are not your cutesy stickers. No, these are absolutely fabulous. If you want something different, this is good. A brief tour of tarot. If you're into like magic, tarot, it's cool. Astrology. I said astrology, not astronomy. Astrology. Oh, and here's instructions for how to encase your treasures in resin. How to do it. Huh. That's nice. Oh, look, they give you ideas. How to encase a scorpion. I don't know if I would risk my life doing that one, but catching maybe a toy one, if no, a fake one. Caption this. Oh my God. They're about to perform surgery. Yeah, oh, you could make, like this would make a fun collage page. You think they could all be saying funny things. Oh, and match the sticker. So I guess you find the stickers in the book and you fill the white spaces. Okay, that's interesting. This one looks like something sciencey, medical, and this one looks like circusy. Okay. Recipes for crafting your lip balm. Sudoku, more trivia. Another one that you can caption this. Oh, this, I have flashbacks to my university days. Nothing. Shadow puppets. Oh, how fun is that? Okay, more mazes. And another one captioned this. Oh, these would be fun to just write funny things in there. Oh my God. What is this supposed to be, a tort? Like your most restful sleep ever, or your most tortured sleep ever? Oh my goodness. Okay. And all the answers to the mazes and the puzzles are at the back. Oh, and here is the answer to match the sticker. So this was Oddities and Curiosities. It is a Chartwell book. It is a paperback, kind of cardboardy cover. And the ISBN number is 978-07858-46123. And it says inside, it says here, peer inside a weird and peculiar world. Yes, that was weird and peculiar. Okay. I hope you enjoyed the flip through of this book. I certainly did. I hope it was helpful to you if you were on the fence about ordering your own copy of the same book. And there are flip throughs of the other books. Either there might be some in this video, or I've had to make more than one video. I don't know at this point. This is editing. I'm not sure where I am anymore. But yeah, there may be other videos where I've done flip throughs of other sticker type books. So thank you so much for watching. Please give me a thumbs up. Please like, comment, share, subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, stay crafty. Bye.